Yeah, welcome back. In this episode I will try to make the front fender a little bit nicer. You will see. So let's start. Yeah, it's not the best, but I will correct the lines because it's outside really hot and I need to work fast, and yeah, it's not fast enough. So as you can see, you have still crappy lines because the paint started too hot. So I will correct this with the white color. But yeah, for now, this is kinda how it will look. So yeah, that was for this video. I didn't mount the bumper because I will take it off and I need to fix the rust issue. But yeah, I will also correct the lines because I'm not satisfied with them. But yeah, that's for this video, and you have there a rising sun Mazda GT. So there you have it.